Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about cell membrane, a phospholipid, and embedded proteins in the cell membrane. So all cell membranes have lipid bilayer. So I show you a lipid bilayer. So this is one layer, this is second, that makes it bilayer. So they all have a lipid bilayer, and these regions are hydrophilic and these tails are hydrophobic. So we'll expand that structure right here. This head portion right here is hydrophilic portion, and it interacts with the water outside in the outer area of the cell, or some membranes are inside in the organelles of a cell, and and this portion also makes the cell membrane itself. So all those organelles and the cell itself has a phospholipid structure. So they have this type of structure called hydrophilic portion on the head region, and this is the hydrophobic region right here, and that is staying away from the water. So like you see right here, these are hydrophobic region. So phospholipid is the most common lipid that these cell membranes are made of, and so this is the structure of the phospholipid that I showed you. The membrane itself has many type of proteins embedded in it. So beside these phospholipids right here and right here, these are some of the proteins right here and right here. And this one is called transmembrane protein, this is called integral protein, and this one is peripheral protein. So just the name tells you transmembrane is like it goes from one end to another, and integral is kind of right here in this portion right here. It is interacting more to the hydrophobic region of the phospholipid bilayer. So these are the three type of proteins are embedded in there. These proteins have different type of functions. They mediate with other cells. Like this cell is right here, this cell is right here, and there's a protein, and there's a mediation between these two proteins. So that could be one of the function, and they also are cell surface receptors for signals and hormones. So what happens? So let's see, this is a cell, and there is a protein right here. It is a receptor for a signal coming from another cell, or a hormone, or it could be a site to enzymes to attach. So these three function it can do. These are cell surface receptors. So cell surface receptor is that they attach to this protein, and any signal it go past to the different organelles of the cell to do another type of function. So cell membranes have these model called fluid mosaic model. Why it's called fluid mosaic model is because lipids and proteins that are these cell membranes are made of, they are slightly movable. Okay, that makes those cell membranes flexible. So just to recap that what the cell membrane is made of phospholipid mostly, and we describe the structure of phospholipid right here. Hydrophilic head, hydrophobic tail, and then there are some proteins embedded in this structure, and the functions of those proteins we discussed briefly, and the model of this layer that it is flexible. So that's it for this lecture. If you like it, subscribe the channel, thumbs up, or leave a comment. Until then, I see you again. Have a good day.